have some bad habits? Of course you do. Everyone does. But no worries, because we're going to give you some tips and techniques to change bad habits into good ones.
Hi friends, and welcome to our home. We're Bob and Fran. We're both in our 80s and we're all about healthy aging, starting at any time in your life. So let's get to it right now.
We started brainstorming some prevalent unhealthy habits people have these days. See if you can identify with some of these just as we did. Then make a strong effort to substitute them with new and beneficial habits.
Number 1 is eating unhealthy food. Sweets and meats and too many cheats.
Yeah.
Change this unhealthy habit into a plan for a healthy eating lifestyle consisting of a whole grain, mostly plant-based diet. Tips to do this include reducing temptations by ridding your home of all processed and unhealthy foods. Reduce, or better yet, eliminate the consumption of animal products. Do the same for dairy foods. Use natural sugar substitutes without any chemicals, like stevia. Eat until you're 80% full.
Good idea.
Now that sounds funny, but that's what the Japanese do, and it's helped them for many centuries. Use vegetables to snack on in place of chips or cookies. Avoid fast food restaurants. Do all this, and you'll lose some weight, become more energetic, and you'll feel and look good.
Number 2 is about excessive worrying, fears, or anger. These are immobilizing emotions that create stress, and this is all about stress. It takes your mind into thinking, overthinking about what may happen in the future or what did occur in the past. So, when you become aware that your mind has wandered, just gently take your focus back to the present moment and repeat this simple regimen whenever this happens. This is mindfulness practice and can help you train your mind not to drift as often and to be more in the here and now. This is a key to less stress and more happiness.
Number 3 is complaining, criticizing, and judging others. These are harmful, negative, often knee-jerk behaviors. So when you catch yourself knocking or faulting someone, change your thoughts to the good qualities about the person. Also, be cognizant of your whining about something. Then when this happens, transfer your thoughts to the many things for which you are grateful. Replace the negatives with the positives as your new habit. Make this your intention every day.
Very good. Well, number 4 is one of my favorites. It's too much sitting. If you find yourself sitting too much at work or in front of the TV, there's a very easy fix for this. It's called get off your butt and move. Whether you're at home or at work, make it a practice to get out of your chair and stretch and walk around a bit for at least every 30 minutes or so. Also make a plan to walk or run or bike or swim for at least 20 minutes every day, preferably in the morning. Sitting can be as dangerous as smoking, so please make the change starting now.
Number 5 is procrastination.
Oh, that's bad.
There are ways to stop constantly putting off or delaying tasks until later. Break this habit by dividing a project into parts and doing one at a time. Create specific deadlines. Encourage friends and family to help you accomplish your to-do goals. Avoid overcomplicating things. Remember the KISS theory. Keep it simple, silly.
Number 6 is about spending money that you don't have. Impulse shopping or over shopping can be a disastrous habitual behavior. Invoking new spending habits is essential if you are overspending. Start now by creating a weekly budget, including your income and living expenses, so you know what your spending limits are. And stop using credit cards and try only using cash. So when you're shopping, list only the items that you really need. And shop at thrift shops, buy your groceries at discount no-frill stores, just like Fran does, and watch for sales, just like Fran does, and stock up.
Just like Fran does.
So there's also a lot of free things to do in your area, so check those out and enjoy the freebies that all are around you.
So there you have it. There are loads of other unhealthy habits, from nail biting to constantly interrupting people to excessive cell phone usage. We've come up with some tips to transform most bad habits into good ones.
I think the first tip would be to be tuned into your specific negative habits and catch yourself when you see that this is happening.
Make a plan to substitute a good habit in place of a specific bad one.
That's a good idea. Also, try to eliminate whatever triggers are likely to set off the unwholesome habit. For example, if you have a tend to munch on candy, you wouldn't want to have a bowl of candy nearby. Much too tempting, I think.
Right. And ask a friend to be your accountability partner to report to regularly and help you keep on track. Also, consider teaming up with another person with the same unproductive behavior so you can support each other.
I think it's also a good idea to tell everyone you know about your intention to break certain bad habits. So, and ask that you would appreciate their understanding and their support.
So start now and always do your best.
Be sure to share this video with others who can benefit. And if you're not already subscribed to our channel, please do so now so we can continue to share more advice and wisdom with you. And we look forward to seeing you again very soon. Bye for now.